banana berry smoothie.
No, we need blueberry.
So we're making strawberry.
Banana. Confusing, girls. Okay. Kyla and Kiana show us how to make the banana berry smoothies.
Okay.
If you want to follow with us, we'll show you then.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like.
So,
Okay, what is that? Wait. Wait a minute. What? You want to hear those songs? Alright. Okay, let's continue, girls.
So first, we're gonna need to peel the banana. I already peeled the banana.
first we need to show the ingredients.
Okay. Try to read it, girls.
It says what you need. The ingredients are 1 medium banana, half a cup of strawberries. It can be fresh or frozen. A half cup of blueberries,
But we're not
fresh or
eating that.
frozen. Yeah. 2 cups of vanilla yogurt, 1 cup of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar.
Okay,
And
Ken,
the
how to do it?
So I'll be the one doing the tablespoon and the strawberries, and Kyle can do the vanilla, yogurt, milk, and banana.
Okay, alright.
So that's why she's cutting the banana.
So, we're now cutting the banana.
Kyla elegantly just cut the banana.
Be careful. Jasper, you want
And look,
the smoothie
look,
also?
it's gonna look like this.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yummy.
What the taste?
Tastes like, not taste like more than strawberry.
Tastes like more banana. So now she's putting the banana inside the magic bullet cup.
Which is what it's also known as a blender.
But what we call that is magic
Don't
bullet.
put the ending one.
Yeah, I cut it already.
This one is the magic bullet.
That's enough
We're
banana.
using that. Alright?
The strawberries, these are freshly cutted, so we're just gonna put some more, just a little.
Okay.
We're gonna add some. I have to make it more than same amount as Kyla's, because technically, so then we can taste the strawberry.
Alright.
Take the big pieces.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Okay, next.
some
We're gonna add one cup of vanilla yogurt.
Okay, actually, it's not 1 cup. We're not going to use 1 cup.
But
It's
if you want to
only-
use 1 cup, you can if you want to.
Yeah.
2 cups.
Since we're running out, it's okay.
Add 2 cups.
Alright.
Can I be the one with the sugar?
Now you're going to use that again for the milk.
Yeah. The milk.
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 Milk. Speaking of milk, make a love shout out to Mac TTV. Jasper, go!
No, it's not clean enough time.
This is failed blood. Failed. My God. Okay, we will make another one.
Kyla.
While cleaning, Kyla, you continue, Kian. Come here. There's a remedy here. No problem.
Do we have to add one more?
Yeah, put a small or
Let me first add the milk.
the milk and then
Hey.
one more. This
You
one.
want the mop here,
And
buddy.
then add more milk, okay?
Hey,
Add a little.
hey,
No, more. Okay, that's enough.
That.
Yeah.
hey. Mom.
For no nuts, that's not good for you. And then milk again.
Milk, another milk? Didn't we just
Yeah.
add milk?
Okay.
Marshawn, get Jasper. He's
Would that be
looking
enough so then we don't have overflow?
Jasper, no nuts.
He's not stopping. He's not stopping, Marshawn.
Okay, that's enough. And then next is sugar. Okay, put 1 tablespoon of sugar.
sugar!
The big one.
This one,
Yeah. So don't forget.
we're going to put.
Okay, that's it. Alright, so we will now blend it. Okay, alright, so put the lid. Make it sure it's sealed. Alright.
That's good?
Yep,
Oh, it's a little wet.
it's okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Montage! Look how pink it is.
Because of the strawberry.
The banana's still in there.
Alright. Good girl.
Sweet. Kind of failed.
Okay.
Going to open it.
Open it and
We're gonna-
taste it.
Me and Kyla are both gonna taste it. Wait, should we have the spoon?
Put it in here.
Yeah.
Wait, have the spoon.
No, we're putting it in the cup.
What about Mommy's hand?
It's okay. Okay, taste it, Kyla. How is it?
It's good.
Mm.
Perfect.
Here, try it, try it, try
Drink
it.
it. Drink it.
Drink it.
Is it good?
No, you need to drink it.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Please subscribe, like, and comment. See you, okay? Balay Buddha. Please connect to my members and support others.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.